That you should know, I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break the signs every time. Let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want.
Welcome to yet another video. My name is Robertinah. In case you are new here, thank you for stopping by. I'm going to kick this video off by opening some items that I bought on Jumia. By now, most of you already know that I love Jumia. I love shopping on Jumia. I love getting deals off Jumia, and on top of that, I'm also a sales agent at Jumia. So if you ever want to buy something on Jumia and you don't know how to go about it, I'm the person that you can come to and I will assist you. All right, so right here I have this cute handbag, which is a 4-piece. It has this card holder. It also has another purse. Yeah, and it is really amazing. It has 2 other purses that you can use separately or with the bag itself, and the bag is quite handy. It's not big, it's not very small, just enough to carry small items for when you want to go out to town, especially for like when you want to go shopping, you just want to carry your phone, maybe some cash and all that. Yeah, so that cute handbag is really handy. I got it for maybe 899, of course without the delivery fees. All right, yeah, and then next I got some skincare products. I've been wanting to get some skincare products for quite a while, and this was a good opportunity. There was actually a lot of offers on skincare, personal use products like lotions and all that, especially the Garnier products, the Nivea products. All those are on offer. I think sometimes, like every once in a while, they go on offer, so always be on the lookout. All right, but I didn't buy any of those because I'm trying out something. I've never used some of these face products that you will see. Yeah, but this one right here, this is a lip balm. It's very essential in my life because my lips tend to chap a lot. They tend to dry up really fast, and this works really well. This is the Carmex lip balm. It's so nice for my skin, for my lip skin. Let me just say, for my lips, it's really nice. It's a bit small, but then again, you don't use a lot all at once, so it tends to stay for a bit longer. All right, so I bought the original one. There are flavored pieces, strawberry and all that. Yeah, so that's what I got. The next thing that I got is a face mask. I didn't buy just one, I bought 3 of them because I want to be trying out face masks. I don't know what are the risks involved with that. Okay, I usually do facials, but when it comes to the masking part, I do the one that is part of the facial process. I've never used a face mask before, and I decided to try with this aloe vera one. I know I trust anything with aloe vera and I bought 3 of them because I want to try it for 3 weeks, as in using 1 piece a week, and then I'll be able to see if it's going to work on my face. All right, so that's all I got from Jumia. I hope you are an online shopper. If you are, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you like to buy. Some people, I've seen comments from some of you who tell me they believe that Jumia has the best genuine products, and that is really amazing. I've seen some of you talking about buying electronics there, some of you gaining confidence to do online shopping from watching my Jumia unboxing videos, and that is just amazing. All right, yeah, so right here, it's in the afternoon. I'm just making some pancakes for my son for when he comes from school. He can find something to snack on. Yeah, so that's what is happening. I wasn't able to show you the entire process, but yeah, that's how I usually do it. I mix everything up in a bowl and just put it in the pan and cook it. This is how I'm used to cooking my pancakes or crepes. I don't know what you call them, where you come from. Yeah, but yeah, that's how it is. It's really a nice snack for your kids, and they really enjoyed it. All right, so thank you for coming. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Let's keep supporting one another. If you have something something that you would like for us to support you, be sure to leave it in the comment or reach me out on Instagram at Robertinah_, and I will be happy to assist you. I do a lot of virtual assistant work, and I can help you get through some of your daily day-to-day tasks. All right, so I'm going to let you enjoy the video. Right now I'm making food for my baby. As I've mentioned before, I like to cook food in the mornings, so that's what I'm doing right here. I'm preparing her meal, and it is really simple, so I'm just going to let you watch that and enjoy.
Music's loud and I'm feeling alright. In slow motion, baby, it's just you and I. Yet the burn makes you feel so alive. And we live in the moment, so you know it tonight. We're here now, let's party together. Let's live life, tonight is forever. We're here now, let's party together. Let's live life, tonight is forever. Let the rhythm move us, yeah baby, take it too far. You're at the center of my attention, yeah you got me so lost. I love the way that you move, and how the lights keep up the groove. We're like in a movie, baby, but it's ending too soon. We're here now, let's party together. Let's live life, tonight is forever. We're here now, let's party together. Let's live life, tonight is forever. You used to stop this world from spinning.
So as you can see, I am almost done preparing baby food. After this, I'm just going to place it on fire and then let it cook until it is soft, and then if necessary I will mash it. If not, my daughter really doesn't mind mashed food or not mashed food, so she is really okay with it. Yeah, so I just want to take this opportunity to welcome all our new subscribers. If you are new here, thank you for coming, thank you for subscribing, thank you for putting your notification bell on and commenting and leaving sweet comments down below. I really appreciate you. I don't take you for granted, and the time you spend here is really appreciated. So I wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for coming. I appreciate you so very much. All right, so it means a lot, and if you want to help out, you can just only like this video, share it to your networks if you're in a position to, and I will really appreciate. All right, so as you can see, that's my process. Whenever I want to make the food in a really quick way, I just prepare all the ingredients, put the margarine, sometimes I can use cooking oil, and some salt to taste. The only thing that is missing today is some coriander and some spinach. I usually like to add those as well on baby's meal. All right, but today we don't have, we're going to work with what you have. So I'm just going to cover and put it on the heat, let it cook until it is soft, and all will be set. So while that is cooking, I have some other work to do. I have some groceries that I had bought, and I'm going to be washing them, organizing them in the fridge. You're also going to be cleaning the fridge in this video, so stick around for that. If you haven't subscribed, this is your chance to hit the subscribe button and leave a sweet comment down below. Like the video as well, and if you're in a position to do subscribe, I really appreciate you guys. My subscribers are really the best. You give me 100% support. We may be a few here, but I like that you give me 100% support. All right, and I promise to always give you full 100% content. All right, so thank you for that. Once again, feel at home and feel welcome in this community.
Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Freak the signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now, I do what I want. Are you ready now? 'Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break the signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want.
I hope you're enjoying the video so far. We have cleaned the fridge and now we are going to be organizing the fresh food items, the tomatoes, the fruits, all that in the fridge organizer so that they can stay fresh for longer. And while at it, I wanted to share one hack that I have recently been using for maybe a few months, and that is how to store your carrots so that they can stay fresh for long. Alright, so I've been using this method for quite a while, and as you can see, my carrots stay fresh. These are carrots, what you're seeing here, these are carrots that I stored maybe like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and they are still very fresh, still very crunchy, and they are good to go at any time. So I use the Ziploc bags to put them inside. As long as they are washed, they are ready to be stored. All right,
are you ready now? Cause it won't be easy, only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time.
so another trick that you can use while storing some of your food items, and that is the bananas, is covering this part with polythene paper. I didn't have polythene, so I went ahead to use cling film, which was a suggestion made by one of you. I'm going to pin the YouTuber down below so that you can go check her videos as well, and it really worked. Alright, so try it out and let me know in the comment section if that method is going to work. That's why I always insist on, if you're leaving a comment, you can leave a comment that is really useful. People will be seeing it and they'll be gaining value from it, and that's why we appreciate when you leave a comment down below. So thank you so much for that suggestion. It worked really well. All right, so right here I have my salt container. It fell and broke. Luckily I have a jar that I can use to replace it, and that's what I'm going to be doing right now.
I do what I want. I do what I want. Hear me now, I do what I want. You used to stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with. This life like kryptonite.
So we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching up until this point. I appreciate you. Be blessed. Remember to subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.